So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. Okay, so this is Gigabyte officially website. So you can see right hand side, this is for the language, and this is for the model, and this is for the search. So you have to search any, you just click on that. After that, enter your model number A620M DS3H, then hit enter. After, you can see, click on the motherboard. So after that, you have to click on support. After that, select your operating system, which is you require Windows 10 and 11. So no worry about it if you are using Windows 10. So because installations process same. Okay. Chipset, extract AMD chipset driver, and click to download. Again, this is start downloading. Take some time. After that, just single click to open. After that, just open it. Then double click to exe. After that, it will ask yes or no, means administrator rights for the installation. Then click on yes. Now you can see this is start installations. It will take some time to install. So it is closed, means is installed, and close it.